Cheap, healthy lunch ideas. A healthy lunch doesn't have to be expensive. Making your lunch at home can help you stick to your budget. With healthy lunch ideas for work, there is something for everyone. From meal prep recipes like chopped veggie grain bowls with turmeric dressing to Southwest black bean pasta salad bowls, these lunch recipes are affordable and delicious. 1. Chicken Caesar lettuce cups. Upgrade your work lunch with these tasty Caesar salad lettuce cups. This Caesar salad recipe gets a healthy makeover thanks to a homemade dressing made with Greek. 2. Southwest black bean pasta salad bowls. Meal prep a week's worth of delicious and satisfying high-fiber lunches with just 5 simple ingredients in 20 minutes. In this Southwestern-style pasta salad, we're using pasta made with black beans to bump up the fiber to an impressive 14 grams per serving. Paired with seasoned chicken strips and a flavorful corn salad. Shortcut ingredients you can often find at your local specialty grocery store. This meal prep lunch is one you'll get excited for. 3. Chopped veggie grain bowls with turmeric dressing. In about 10 minutes, you can prep a week's worth of lunches using 4 simple ingredients from your local specialty grocery store. To minimize prep, we're taking advantage of pre-chopped fresh veggie mix and frozen quinoa, which heats in the microwave in under 5 minutes. These crunchy chopped salad bowls are high in fiber but lower in calories, making them perfect for those following a reduced-calorie diet. 4. Chickpea chicken salad. This chickpea salad is a vegetarian version of a classic chicken salad and can be eaten in the exact same way. Let's be clear though, it doesn't taste like chicken, but it is a delicious and fiber-packed vegetarian alternative. Plus, it's easily transportable, perfect for picnics, and will surely step up your sad desk lunch. 5. Meal prep curried chicken bowls. Curry doesn't have to take hours to prepare. With the help of our sheet pan meal prep chicken and some cooked whole grains, you can make these meal prep bowls in just a few minutes. Keep them in the fridge for an easy dinner on a busy weeknight or for healthy grab-and-go lunches throughout the week. 6. Avocado ranch chicken salad. Avocado makes an exceptionally creamy and healthful dressing for this chicken salad. A bit of ranch dressing with pickled jalapeno adds a tangy spin to the lunchtime classic. Serve it on a slice of whole wheat toast for an open-faced sandwich or in a lettuce cup for a low-carb lunch. 7. Mediterranean wrap. This wrap is stuffed with chicken tenders and couscous with a hit of lemon and a healthy dose of fresh herbs. Save any leftovers to wrap up for an easy lunch. Serve with mixed green salad and a glass of crisp white wine. Tuna, white bean, and dill salad. Take canned tuna to new heights by adding cannellini beans, red onion, and dill, tossing it in a lemon pepper Dijon dressing, and serving it over a spinach salad with canned beets. 8. Spicy ramen cup of noodles. Make your own cup of instant soup at home with this vegetarian ramen recipe. Pack several jars at once to take to work for easy lunches throughout the week. 9. Mediterranean chickpea quinoa bowl. Quinoa and chickpeas pack this vegetarian grain bowl with plenty of plant-based protein. Whip up a batch of these Mediterranean meals and pack them in containers with lids to stash in the fridge for easy, healthy grab and go lunches all week long. 10. Freezer bean and cheese burritos. This copycat version of store-bought frozen burritos is perfect for meal prepping. Make a big batch to store in the freezer for healthy packable lunches or a quick campsite meal.